Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to delete Google account. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, tap on add account, then you select Google. To make this, you will need the internet connection, of course, to add account. Then you have to type your email or phone number, tap on next. Next you have to enter your password, tap on next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, you have to accept it. And that's it, the account added. If you want to delete it, you just have to enter the account section one more time, select this account and tap remove account here. And that's it, account removed. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.